In the last video, we talked about makeup products you probably don't need. And in today's video, I'll be talking about makeup products you probably need. First product you need is a high coverage concealer. You know, I'm a no makeup girl, and it sounds strange saying that you need a high coverage concealer, not a natural one. But it is actually essential, especially if you want to achieve a no makeup look. To achieve a no makeup look, you may want your foundation or just any base makeup product you are going to apply all over your face to be natural. So your real skin should be seen through the foundation. But when it comes to covering acne, pimples, or just any hyperpigmentation you want to cover, you may want to cover it perfectly, but not like painting a concealer all over the area, but still want to try to cover it in a natural way. I think that's the reason why you need a high coverage concealer. If you try to cover spots, blemishes, or any strong hyperpigmentation with a natural coverage product like a skin tint or natural coverage concealer, it wouldn't do anything to the pimples or spots. Instead, you may end up over applying the product until it actually covers the area. As a result, your makeup would end up looking cakey or just unnatural. Then what the high coverage concealer used for? A high coverage concealer is formulated to provide more intense and effective coverage compared to regular or just low coverage concealers. It can be found in different forms: liquid, cream, and pencil. Then how to use it? For me, I like using a cream or liquid high coverage concealer and applying it with a small brush to cover any spot. It allows me to target the exact area I want to cover without applying it too much. As long as you find the perfect match high coverage concealer to your skin color, you can even cover acne without foundation. I have already made a separate video on this, and you can watch a real example. And here's my best concealers to cover spots. First one is Canmake Concealer. It is a cream type with a high coverage, but it's still hydrating. So it is also good to apply on my under eye dark circles. They have 3 different shades in one product, so it is good to mix together by your preference. However, the downside of this product is it has a limited shade range. So if you have darker complexion than me, you may have to find other options. Second one is JUNGSAEMMOOL Concealer Palette. This is a palette I used to use a lot when I was learning makeup at a academy. If you're looking for concealer palettes like this, look for more brands endorsed by makeup artists such as MAC Cosmetic and Bobbi Brown, because these concealer palettes are mostly for a professional makeup artist who have to do makeup on different clients. The best thing about this concealer palette is it has various shade ranges, so you can mix any of them. However, because the product is too thick and matte, it requires you to warm up the product before you actually apply it for smooth application. The next item is mascara primer. Apart from concealer, this is the one product that I will never skip whenever I do my makeup. If you think about a mascara primer, you may imagine the one that makes your lashes look white, but that's a bit old-fashioned now. There are so many clear mascara primer out there which are more natural than the white one. Then what is it used for? Mascara primer is a primer used for your lashes before you actually apply a regular mascara. It is used for lengthening and volumizing the lashes. It even helps hold a curl after you curl your lashes with a eyelash curler. Then why is it necessary? If you have softer or straighter lashes, particularly Asian lashes, you will see a huge difference with using it or not when you apply a mascara, because it holds your curl all day. Some mascaras have a thick and heavy formula, so it loses the curl as soon as you apply it, and my lashes become straight again no matter how strong I curl my lashes. One and only mascara primer that I have used is this Etude House. Been using this for at least 10 years now, and this is the most affordable and effective mascara primer ever. So highly recommend using a mascara primer, and especially this one that I've used for ages. Next item you need in your makeup routine is an eyeshadow palette with neutral tones. Neutral tone means that there is no obvious warm or cool tone situated in the palette, but the colors are more moody. Then why is it necessary? Because it can be used in any step of your makeup routine: eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyebrow, and even contour. It's the most versatile product among the products I'm featuring today. If you just started to build your own makeup kit, these shade ranges will be fail-proof, and it will complement your features without being too obvious. For example, I have found this Peripera eyeshadow palette that is perfect for everyday makeup look. The tone of the shades is all muted apart from the two shimmery eyeshadows. This ash shade is also perfect to be used as an eyebrow powder and contour because of its ashy tone which mimics the shadow. The next product you need is a translucent powder. This is a powder without any color. Regular face powder comes in various shades, so you are going to choose the shade that matches perfectly to your skin tone or lighter or darker by your preference. Depending on the product, it can provide coverage from sheer to medium. It has become a bit old-fashioned because nowadays the makeup trends are more like natural, no makeup looks, so we don't really use this type of heavy, cakey face powder for everyday look. This translucent powder is typically used for mattifying the area we don't want any shine or glow on our face. The reason why it is necessary is because of its versatility. Even if you love natural makeup, there might be areas you don't want any shine or glow. For example, like nose area, forehead, and outer part of your face. To prevent your eyeliner or eyeshadow being smudged, applying a bit of translucent powder along your lower lash lines can really help as well. Especially when I do my brow makeup, I always put a bit of translucent powder to make sure the eyeshadow product goes smoothly onto the area, because those areas can be oily sometimes from skincare or makeup products I used before. So it can improve your eye makeup as well as your brow makeup. So here are some products that I would like to recommend. They can divide into two categories, and I have already featured all of these on my channel. First product is OG Innisfrree's No Sebum Powder. If you want something affordable with no other purpose, this product will be perfect for you. I recommend using a pressed version rather than a normal loose powder because it's easier to control the amount you want to use. Second one is NYX Translucent Powder. So if you're in a country where Innisfrree is not available, this is another drugstore option. It's a pressed version and does its job perfectly. The third product is Abyss Blurs. If you want to invest in a powder that has finest particle that I have ever seen, this Laneige powder is a high-end option for you. It has a kind of rubber filter that makes it easy to control the amount, even though it is a loose powder. So it is easy to carry without worrying about it messing up our bag. I feel like this is the least drying translucent powder I ever used because of its finest particles and very soft formula. So I recommend this if you have some budget spare in a powder. So now let's talk about a lipstick you need. You need a nude beige lipstick that perfectly matches with your natural lip color. Typically, we use a nude beige lipstick when we do some smoky eye and want to match the warm tone vibe. Then why is it necessary? I think it acts like a foundation on your lips before you apply a lipstick you are actually going to use. If you use a nude beige color before you apply a regular lipstick, it will not only improve the appearance of the actual lipstick color, but also make your lips fuller and more voluminous. Especially if you're a person who loves bold lipstick, it might be hard for you to define the lip lines, and there might be some areas missing that might make your look unfinished. However, if you apply a nude beige lipstick all over your lips before and blend, and then you apply the bold lipstick, you will see the pigment is more prominent. If you struggle with pigmented lips, this will be helpful as well because it allows the pigment to stick well. For me, this lipstick shade blends in perfectly with my lip as a base of the bold lipstick. When I want to do a warm tone or nude beige makeup look, this is also the color that I would go for. So this was all about makeup products you need. I hope you guys find it very helpful. I actually try to minimize the list because I don't want you guys to have those feeling that you need 10 or 12 different products, but these 5 products I would like to call as essential. Please let me know if you have this product or purchase any of these products by watching my videos, because I love seeing your comments or DMs saying that you purchased this product and saw the huge difference. So it is a true joy moment for me. Please let me know if you have any other videos like this, like an essential product list. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!